Still clicking through menus to launch apps on Linux? Let me show you a lightning-fast way to open anything in just seconds, right from your keyboard. Say hello to Ulauncher, the productivity boost your Linux Mint setup deserves. Ulauncher is a fast, minimal app launcher for Linux. Just hit a shortcut, type part of an app's name, and launch instantly. It supports fuzzy search, extensions like Calculator and Emoji Picker, and custom themes. On Linux Mint, it helps you skip the menu and get things done faster. Perfect for boosting productivity.
Let's open the browser and search for Ulauncher. Click the official site, ulauncher.io. You're greeted with a clean design and a slick animation that quickly shows what Ulauncher is all about. A fast, keyboard-driven launcher to open apps, run commands, and boost productivity. Now, let's head straight to the Ulauncher download page. You can download the .deb package directly. Choose between the stable or developer version, depending on your preference. But there's also a faster way, right from the terminal. And yes, this method is mentioned on the site too. Just open your terminal and type these 3 commands one by one. Sudo add apt repository, ppa://agornostel/ulauncher, sudo apt update, and sudo apt install Ulauncher. That's it. Ulauncher is now installed and ready to go on your Linux Mint system. Now that we've installed Ulauncher, it's time to launch it. Just open your terminal and type Ulauncher. You'll be greeted with a sleek, minimal input bar at the center of your screen. Start typing the name of any app, even just 2 or 3 letters, and Ulauncher will instantly show matching results. It's fast, clean, and saves you from digging through menus. Try exploring apps, web search, or run a few commands right from here. Now click the little gear icon on the Ulauncher input bar. This opens the settings panel. Here, you can set your preferred hotkey to launch Ulauncher. I recommend something like Control plus space for quick access. You can also preview and switch color themes here. Don't worry, we'll install custom themes later in this video. Next, make sure to check Launch at Login, so Ulauncher starts automatically when your system boots. There's also a blacklist section. This prevents Ulauncher from indexing certain folders, useful for avoiding clutter from backup or system directories. Now head over to the Shortcuts tab in the Ulauncher settings. Here, you can create custom shortcuts. Just define a keyword that, when typed into the launcher, runs a specific app or command. Click Add Shortcut, enter something like Web as the keyword, and set the command as Firefox. Now typing Web will instantly launch Firefox. This is super handy if you want to create fast launchers for custom scripts, terminal tools, or even websites. Now, let's add some powerful extensions to Ulauncher. Ulauncher supports many useful extensions, like a built-in calculator, emoji picker, web search shortcuts, dictionary lookups, and even clipboard history. Go to the official extension site, ext.ulauncher.io. You'll find a huge list of community-created tools. Click on any extension you like, copy the URL from the address bar, and go back to Ulauncher Settings, Extensions tab, click Add Extension. Paste the link, hit Enter, and you're done. Ulauncher will fetch and install it automatically. It's that simple to boost its functionality in seconds. Once an extension is installed, you can even set your own custom keyword to trigger it. For example, if you've installed the Calculator extension, you can set Calc as the keyword. Now just type Calc 25 plus 7 right in the launcher to get an instant result. This lets you personalize how you access each tool. Feel free to experiment. Install a few more extensions and test how they work. Some run commands, others fetch data from the web or perform local tasks. The possibilities are endless. Wait a second. We tried launching empty trash from Ulauncher, and nothing happens. Looks like we just caught a bug. Woohoo! This sometimes happens with system actions that need elevated permissions or don't respond to standard launch commands. No worries though. Ulauncher is still super reliable for everyday apps and tools. And who doesn't love finding bugs on camera, right? Before we move on, don't forget the Perplexity AI extension. It's a super handy tool right inside Ulauncher. With this plugin, you can ask natural language questions like, "What is the capital of Brazil?" or "Explain quantum computing," and get instant answers powered by Perplexity AI. Just install it from xt.ulauncher.io, set a trigger keyword like "ask," and start typing your questions in the launcher. It's like having a smart assistant built into your desktop. Now, it's time to give Ulauncher a fresh look. Let's go ahead and apply a custom theme. Ulauncher supports user-created themes, so you can easily match it with your desktop setup. Search for Ulauncher themes, or head over to gnomelook.org and browse the available options. Download any theme you like. For this demo, I'm going with the clean and elegant Orchis Light theme. Once downloaded, extract the theme folder to this location: /home/your username /config/ulauncher/user themes. Then open Ulauncher settings, go to the Appearance tab, and select your new theme. That's it. Instant glow up. And that's a wrap. You've now seen how to install, customize, and supercharge Ulauncher on Linux Mint. From blazing fast app launching to smart extensions and slick themes, Ulauncher is a small tool with big productivity power. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tips and desktop customizations. Got a favorite extension or theme? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.